welcome back to my channel. It's finally 2018. Happy New Year, my loves. I hope you guys have had a great 2018 so far. So to start the year, I decided my first video should be something colorful and fun. So I decided to do a festival makeup look, and this is kind of like a bluey purpley glittery tone kind of look. So if you do want to see how to get this look, keep watching. So since most festivals are outside, I am going to start with sunscreen, and this is just the MECCA Cosmetica to Save Face sunscreen with SPF 50. Most foundation, like most SPF in makeup is just never enough. So I like to go in with actual sunscreen before I put everything else on. And next I'm going to take the Hangover Primer from Too Faced, this one right here. And I really like how this primer looks, and it smells really nice too. So now that my face is primed, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm just in the shade Nude. This one's actually a little bit too dark for me, but I think it matches my neck, so it should be fine. Sorry if my voice is a little like nasally or like retarded. I'm just a little sick right now. I just have a sore throat. I'm just gonna put that on my face. I'm just going to buff it out with a Zoeva 104 buffer brush, and so I'm just gonna buff that out. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you guys all had an amazing 2017. I'm so excited that it's 2018. I hope that this year is as great as the last. Like 2017 was like a good year for me, I guess. Like it had like a lot of ups and downs, but like what year doesn't, to be honest. I might add a little bit more just around the trouble areas of my face that need a little bit more coverage. So probably just like my chin poking out, and like hopefully I become better at uploading in 2018 so I can put out more content for you guys. And if there is anything that you do want to see from me, do like let me know, like reach out to me. I'd love to like get to know you guys. And yeah, I'm so excited. I'm going to just like set my face using the MAC what is this called? The MAC Studio Fix powder, and this one is in NC20. And I'm just going to set my face with it. I'm going to use the Too Faced Kabuki brush, and I love this. Like it's so cute, and it's made of teddy bear hair, so it's cruelty free, which is always nice. I had another one of these in a darker shade, and I finished it, and like I was so reluctant to repurchase it, just because I know that MAC does test on animals, and like I do try to stay as like cruelty free and vegan as possible when it comes to my like makeup. Well, like if I know that it's cruelty free, it just makes it so much easier to buy like this. So like I was really like hesitant to repurchase this, and I'm running out of my foundation from MAC as well that I bought like ages ago, that I really want to repurchase, but like I'm so reluctant to, just because they test on animals and I don't know if I can like commit to that. But I bought this, so I was like, oh, should I just buy the foundation too? But like I honestly don't know if I will. But it's such a good like foundation to wear when I want like heavy caked makeup. Oh, sad life. So next I'm gonna do my brows. I'm just gonna do that off camera, so I'll be right back. So now that my brows are on, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes. I am gonna add like glitter there, so I don't think I'm gonna worry about it too much. I think I just want to focus it on like this inner area that's like really dark that I might not cover with glitter. So just there. And I'll just pat that out. I don't have any other powder with me right now, so I might just set it with this as well. So I'm going to start off by using the Huda Desert Dust palette. I absolutely love this palette. It's so gorgeous. The shades are beautiful. And I kind of want to go for like a purpley shade, so I think I'm going to use Musk as my transition shade. Musk as my transition shade, and I'm taking a Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush. And I'm just going to put that all in my, like, my eyes are really hooded, so just up where your crease would be, and just like blending it upwards kind of. I'm going to take some of the Ode, that shade, the really dark brown shade, and deepen that a bit. I'm just going to buff this out. This brush makes it so easy to buff everything else, so there's like no harsh lines, which I love. And then I'm going to take some of Amethyst, so this shade right here, Amethyst, and I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush. So this is the Zoeva 234 Smoky Shader, and I'm just going to kind of like carve out my crease a little and kind of like focus more of it on the end just to deepen that area. And I'm just going to take that buffer brush again and blend everything out. You kind of want to keep like the middle section clear because I'm going to place the glitter there. So I'm going to take the Twilight shade and I'm going to take my fingers and kind of place that in the area where you left blank. So like the middle of your eye, and kind of like work that to the front. And I'm just going to put this down as a base for the next step because the colors are really similar. And but it would just look pretty. I love this shade. It looks like a mermaid. It's so nice. So to go over that, I'm just going to take the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow liquid, and this is in the shade Sea Siren, and I'm just going to put this on top of where I placed Twilight. Since the shades are really similar, it's just like got more glitter in it, which I kind of prefer. So this color is absolutely gorgeous. Like seriously, it's beautiful. I might mix these two shades, so the Amethyst and Ode. So I'm going to focus more of it at the end, just like I do at the top, and then kind of buff it down. So I'm using the In Your Dreams Cosmetic Glitter, and this one's in the shade Unicorn, I believe. Purple Unicorn. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to place a bit of this under my eyes, and I'm going to use the Too Faced Glitter Glue. I'm going to take a flat cosmetic brush from MECCA Cosmetica, and I'm just going to take a bit of the glitter glue and pop it under my eyes to hide my dark circles. Such a pretty shade. Place that. I kind of want to like blend it out softly and focus more of it on the ends, like on the start, and then kind of have it like seamlessly blow out, kind of like droplets. Kind of like where you'd put your concealer, to be honest, but just instead of concealer you're putting glitter there. So focusing more of it. So I'm just going to take the Stila Stay All Day liquid eyeliner in Intense Black, and I've heard great things about this liner, so I'm super excited to try it out. This tip is really fine, like it's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing on my other eye. Hopefully I can get this even. So now that my eyeliner is complete, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some falsies, and I'll be right back. Hello, now I have lashes on, and I'm just going to complete the rest of my eyes before I jump into the face. And I'm just going to add some mascara on my bottom lash line. I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin voluming mascara, and I love this stuff. It's so great. It does not budge at all, so it's like the best kind of mascara to wear to a festival, just because it will stay there no matter how much you sweat or like people throw water on you or whatever happens at festivals. Just because It's like a really cool formula, so the only way, like, you can't even take it off with makeup remover. Like, the only way you can take it off is if you put like warm water to a sponge and kind of like pull it off, and it comes off stringy, so it's like really different to other kind of mascaras. So I really love this. Ta-da! The eyes are, the eyes are done, and now onto the face. So I'm just going to warm up my cheeks a little. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Light to Medium palette, and like, look how trashed this is. I don't even know what happened, but like, it's bad. But I'm just going to take the contour shades, so probably this one and this one, and maybe a bit of all of them, who cares. So just under here. This is hard to see with the small mirror, but I'm just going right there. And a little on my forehead. Oh, far out, that's like a lot. I didn't blend that out. So that's a bit too harsh. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that as well and contour the sides of my nose. I don't think I'm going to be going to many festivals in 2018, but I just like really like to create festival looks because I love playing around with like glitter and like gems and stuff like that. And I recently purchased like a whole bunch of glitter and gems, so I think I'm gonna do a lot more like festival or like random looks. So I'm super excited for that. And now for one of my favorite parts, I'm just going to highlight, and I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit, and I actually adore this palette. Like, the shades are just beautiful. I'm gonna mix a bit of Luna and Spectra together on a fan brush, and this is the Zoeva 130 Luxe fan brush. And there's like purple flecks in it. How gorgeous is that? Oh, it's so beautiful. I can't even. It's beautiful. And some on my nose. And Cupid bow. And to finish this look off, I'm just going to go in with Still Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the shade Caramello. Where? At the end?
Right in that middle spot.
I like don't want too much.
But it just feels bare compared to the other eye.
Okay, fine, I'll add some.
That eye definitely has more than that one.
Yeah, no, I packed on that one a bit.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. My brother told me that this eye doesn't look like there's enough glitter on it, so I'm just gonna add a bit more on into like the middle section. So I might just take my fingers for this. The NARS Audacious Lipsticks in vibeki. I just don't like this shade. This one's a bit better. And this is the end result. So thank you so much for watching my video. I seriously appreciate it, and I'm super excited for 2018. I hope that I can kind of become like more into my videos and like kind of get to know you guys more as well. And I really appreciate the support that you guys gave me in 2018 and in 2017. Like, I don't know, it's just super sweet. Every single time people like tell me they watch my videos, I'm always like, you guys are adorable. I can't even deal. I love you all so very much, and I wish you guys all the best in 2018, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!